Are you ready to transform your forklift maintenance process? This video explores how eAuditor revolutionizes inspections into structured, evidence-based evaluations. Discover a systematic approach to ensure safe and reliable material handling operations. Preventive maintenance is crucial for forklift safety and reliability. It helps prevent unexpected failures and downtime. Ensuring compliance with OSHA and manufacturer standards is essential. Early wear and damage identification supports asset management. Comprehensive inspections cover equipment history, power systems, and safety devices. Configure digital checklists in eAuditor with essential details. Include yes, no, or not applicable responses, and mandatory comments for non-compliance. Capture photo or video evidence for thorough documentation. Automated action tracking ensures timely issue resolution. Align with maintenance manuals, OSHA regulations, and asset policies. Inspect engine and power systems for oil, coolant, and fuel issues. Check hydraulic systems for fluid levels and smooth operations. Verify steering, brakes, and tire conditions for safety. Electric forklifts require battery and motor performance checks. Ensure all components function correctly for reliable operation. Check electrical systems and controls for functionality. Ensure dashboard indicators and warning lights work properly. Safety devices like seatbelts and emergency stops must be operational. Verify the legibility of data plates and warning labels. These checks are critical for operator protection and compliance. Classify defects as critical, major, or minor for appropriate action. Document defects with photos and detailed notes for clarity. Assign corrective actions to maintenance personnel with deadlines. Monitor completion and verification digitally for traceability. This ensures comprehensive documentation and audit compliance. Through eAuditor, you can enhance equipment reliability and ensure safe operations. With detailed inspections and tracked actions, you protect your workforce and assets. Embrace a digital-first, compliance-ready approach for forklift maintenance.